audios of.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am,
Divyansh.
today we had to do exercise 2.2 statement question. Ma'am, what problems?
Word problems I have selected from myself, from other books also. I have selected 3 word problems for you where we can apply
Properties.
Okay. Lakshika, Ashwin Prakash, Samarth Khurana, Viraj Bali, Vatsal. As soon as you enter the class, after wishing your teacher, please put your audios off. Harjak, Drishti. Drishti, have you completed your work? We have 2 Drishtis in our class. Do we have 2 Drishti in our class?
No, ma'am, only one. Drishti.
No.
But there are 2 Drishtis I can see.
Ma'am, always 2 Drishti or only come. Ma'am, maybe Ma'am Drishti is accessing from 2 devices.
How come? It's not allowed. Let me just see. Vihan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Dharvi. Aksham Sani.
Ma'am, I have scored, ma'am, 10 out of 10 in the math quiz.
Which quiz? I did not send any quiz.
मैम आपने मैम मैम वो कंप्यूटर में हमने होमवर्क दिया था कि गूगल फॉर्म्स पे कुछ बनाना है, उसके अलग अलग टॉपिक्स दिए थे, उसमें ये कह रहे होंगे.
Okay. You have made quiz.
Ma'am, yes, I have made.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, Virat's quiz, ma'am, I have scored.
Okay. Kabir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you will take a test of chapter 1 in the
Good morning, ma'am.
Next
Ma'am,
class
you said that you.
Next coming class, that is on Thursday. We will have
Good morning,
class
ma'am.
test from chapter number 1. Good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hurry up, children. Wait, the class is going very slow this way. Sorry, we have to be a little faster, beta. Nivedita. Put your audios off as soon as you enter the class. You're supposed to put your audios off. Nivedita, Ayan. Nivedita, Ayan, Aradhana. Garv. Yuvraj Joshi. Aradhya. Put your audios off as soon as you enter the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hurry up, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have in the extra questions you gave, I have doubt.
Okay, you can share those doubts in your WhatsApp class group. I'll take in the next class or whenever possible. Not in this class right now. I have planned something. Let me just teach that portion. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am. Send the doubts in your class group so that everybody's doubts will be cleared that way. I can solve.
Ma'am, in the
previous
class homework we have to do. Ma'am, in the previous class we have to do 2 homeworks now.
Whatever I have given one extra worksheet, I gave one extra
you
worksheet.
You also said to do exercise 2.34.
Ma'am, please send the test link.
Not today.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We don't have test today. Test is on in the next class. Test is
Ma'am, so that we have to do exercise 2.34 question.
Today we are going to do with extra questions. Extra questions I am going to do. Questions where we need, wait, questions where we can apply properties. Right now, children, I cannot see Aditya Arora, Chehek, Cheshna, Chaitanya, Dhani, Dhairya. Dhairya is here. Dhairya is here. I saw Dhairya. Dhairya is here. Okay, Dhairya is here. यहाँ Dhairya बोलो.
Ma'am, which chapters are only the first chapter is coming?
Only the first chapter. Only the first chapter. Gunjan is not here. Gunjan is not here. Harshit is not here. Kashvi is not here. Navya is not here. Preeti Mehti is not here. Ronak is not here. Taraksh is not here. These are the absentees. Let me start my class. I have taken the control from you people. So in case you have any query, you will raise your hand. Okay, children? Let me just show you the screen. I have selected few questions for you people. Are you all able to see? Are you all able to see? Divyansh bolo.
Ma'am,
Anji.
ma'am, when is our test?
Next class. Okay. Now let me start with these questions. There are 25 classes. I am reading out the questions for you. I will also send this Word file afterwards. So in case you've not written the questions, leave the questions, only write the solution in the class. I leave the space for questions. I'll send this Word file again to you. You can copy down the questions afterwards, understand the question first, and just focus on the solution a ma'am is doing for you. Now let me read out. First question is from your exercise. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? First of all, in word problems, whatever is given to us, we have to write that. Let's write the first statement. Petrol filled in car tank on Monday. Petrol is 40 liters. 40 liters. Now on Tuesday, Aradhya disconnected. Yes, on Tuesday. Divansh, don't move so much. Divansh, don't. Hanji, Divansh, any query? Put your hand down otherwise. Lower down your hand. Any query?
Ma'am, no.
Put your hand down then. When I am teaching, I just focus on the questions, please. I want to see you people writing. Girl, sit properly. Girl, sit properly. Straighten. Now, on Tuesday, girl, write down. Don't lie down. Write down. On Tuesday, girl, are you able to listen me? Girl Thakur. Can you listen me? Girl, reply me. Girl, reply me. On Tuesday, it was 50 liters. Now they are saying if the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, total cost of petrol. See, because the cost is same, the total cost is going to be 44 multiplied with 40 for the first day and 50 for the second day. Are you all understanding? 40 for the first day and 50 for the second day. You can show by thumb in case you are able to understand. Okay. Now, what will happen? Can we apply here distributive property? Can we apply here distributive property? Is the distributive property applicable here? Raise your hand. Those who want to say something. Virat, bolo.
Ma'am, yes.
Can we apply distributive property here? I'm asking you people.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see
Yes,
this
ma'am.
44 was common to both. So, distributive property can be applied this way. Dharya, any query?
Ma'am, no, I wanted to answer the question.
Wait. Let me see. Now, what will you get? 44 into 90?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Then the answer comes out. Dharya, bolo answer.
Ma'am, I'm just calculating.
Calculate. Everybody must calculate. I should say everybody multiplying 90 with 44. And then once who will get the answer will raise his hand. Kabir.
Ma'am,
Kabir, bolo
ma'am,
answer.
3960.
3960.
Ma'am, 3960.
Very good. 3960. So this is called the initial statement, but this is called given statements. Kabir, put your audio off, beta now. This first two are given statements, whatever is given to us. Next 3, 4 are for working, what we are doing, and last statement in all word problems is going to be the last sum up statement. One more thing, children. The test where I'm going to take next time will not be test I'm taking next time won't be possible if you will not keep your videos on. Test will be done only if videos are on. Okay, children? Videos need to be on when a test is going on. I need to see what you are writing. Okay. Now, last statement is going to be therefore. Therefore, the taxi driver, wait, spent rupees 3960 in total. Hanji, anybody in the class who is not able to understand this can raise his hand. Only for not understanding. Hanji, Divyansh, any query? Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो क्या क्वेरी है?
मैम एक और बार एक्सप्लेन करना.
हाँ जी, एक और बार एक्सप्लेन करना. इसमें बोला है a taxi driver filled his car with 40 liters of petrol on Monday and 50 liters of petrol on Tuesday. So first two lines are for given conditions. Then cost of petrol is 44 per liter. So we need to multiply. How do you find the cost? Suppose you go to the market and you want to buy something. If you want to buy 10 pens and each pen costs ₹5, don't you need to multiply 5 with 10? We have to. Similarly, cost of petrol per liter was multiplied with total petrol he has used. Who asked me? Divyansh. समझ आया Divyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the distributive property we have used. This is the distributive property we have used. Distributive property I have used. Now let's see few more questions where distributive property can be used. Am I audible to all children? Today I have used mic also. Am I audible better in a better way? Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Next questions. I'll send you this word file also in case you have left out any of the missed out any of the sentence. I'll just share that also. Now next question. There are 25 classes in a school and each class has 40 students. The fees for each child is rupees 2005 per month. Calculate the monthly fee collection of the school. Use distributive property of multiplication over addition. First of all, let's write what is given to us. Number of classes. Number of classes. कितनी classes हैं? 25. Then how many students in each class? How many students in each class? 40 students. Number of students in one class is equal to 40. Here we may not use any distributive, but we may use any property used. We can use a property depending on requirement. Use property. I am just changing the statement. Use property. Use property. Now, number of students in each class is 40. Now, fee of one child. Fee of one child. Rupees 2005. If fee of one child is 2005, if I want to find out the fee of one class, it will be rupees 2005 multiplied with 40. एक क्लास की फीस 2005 into 40 होगी. Now fee for the whole school. Fee for the whole school. It means whatever fee was collected from one class, whatever fee was collected for one class needs to be multiplied with number of classes. एक क्लास से कलेक्शन आया 2005 into 40 और सेकंड क्लास का कलेक्शन हो गया 2005 into 40, 2005 into 40, like this 25 times. So we can see here some other property. Which property we are going to use? Somewhere somebody will tell me. Which property we are going to use? Samarth Khurana.
Yes, ma'am.
You have raised the hand. Any query?
No.
Which property we can use here? Somebody will tell me.
Ma'am.
Kabir bolo.
Ma'am, I have got the answer. 2005000.
But property कौन सी use करेंगे? Property use करना must है यहाँ पे. Property use करना must है यहाँ पे. We will
Distributive.
Associative, not distributive. Distributive is multiplication sign. We have to distribute. It's not, multiplication is not distributed here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This is distributive. Associative, not distributive, associative. Kabir, audio off, please. I think there is some problem at your level. Hanji. Is equal to rupees 2005,000. You can put the commas to know the amount in with 20,05,000. Therefore, the total fee collection, of the school is rupees 2005,000. If anybody has any query, he or she can raise a hand. Otherwise, put your hand down. Only if you have query, you'll put your hand up. Otherwise, Hands down. Yuvraj Joshi, any query? Samarth Khurana. Hanji Samarth. Samarth. Hanji, any query? You have raised the hand. You had raised the hand. I told you those who have query. अगर किसी को नहीं समझ आ रहा तो वही hand raise करेगा. Ayan, Ayan, Ayan. Let me see, where is Ayan? Ayan, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, if the statement is bigger and there was a question that the fees of 10 schools is the same of
Calculate the monthly tuition of the school. There are 25 classes and each class is 40 students.
Yes.
So 2005 हर बच्चा देगा. Every child is going to pay 2005 from one class.
Yes.
From one class we will get 2005 into 40. एक क्लास से 2005 into 40 रुपीज आएंगे. और क्योंकि वहां पर 25 sections हैं, 25 classes हैं, तो further उसको multiply किया 25 से. Then I have used the property. I have multiplied the last two terms together. I got 1000 and in total I have got 20 lakh 5000. Ayan?
Ma'am, yes.
समझ आया?
Ma'am, yes, आ गया.
Very good. Put your audio off, beta, because if audios are on, others are not able to understand. Saksham, Sani, have you copied? Question. If you have time, you can copy the question also right now. Otherwise, I'll send this. You can write the question afterwards. If you are able to write down the answer and you have time, you can copy down the question also. I can share the question also right now. There are 25 classes in a school and each class has 40 students. The fees of each child is rupees 2005 per month. Calculate the monthly fee collection of the school. Use the property to solve this question. So property I have used is associative property. Can I move to the next question? Virat, can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ikam, can I move to the next question? Ikam, Ekam. Ekam, can I move to the next question, beta? Ekam, next question bota. Next question पे जाएं बेटा. Aradhya.
Ma'am, yes.
You joined late. Were you able to copy down? Aradhya, were you able to note down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, otherwise I will send this Word file because I think twice you just got disconnected also. You got disconnected also twice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send this Word file again. Hurry up, children, beta. Hurry up, children. I want to move to the next question. Can I move to the next question? Very good. Shaurya is saying yes. Nivedita, can we move to the next question? Nivedita, Shaurya Nagpal, Chaitanya, can we move to the next question?
Yes.
Okay. Don't write in the chat. I cannot read the chat at this moment when I'm explaining in the class. How can I read chat or your WhatsApp? I cannot. Now look at the next question. I'm reading out the question for you. Question says, for the opening ceremony of school function, 15 bunches of balloons were bought by one person and 5 bunches of balloons were bought by another person. There are two people who bought the flowers, balloons. So one person, number of bunches Number of bunches of balloons by person 1 bought by person 1 is equal to 15. One man has bought 15 bunches. One man has bought 15 bunches. Don't create noises at the back. Put your audios off, children. Audios off. Once I have given you option, you don't know. Virat, put your audio off. I have done for you now. Who hasn't put the audio off? Unnecessary, you want the class to be disturbed. Don't worry. Now the number of bunches of balloon, number of bunches of balloon bought by person 2, bought by person 2. Second person has bought 5 bunches. Now each bunch contained 12 balloons. It means, suppose I'll show you. Suppose Kabir has raised his hand. Kabir, 1 minute. Who is? Where are you? हाँ जी कबीर बोलो.
मैम मैंने आंसर निकाल लिया.
Answer नहीं बेटा. I have to explain. Let me explain.
मैम
Okay.
900 आंसर.
Wait. Let me just show you with example. What do you mean by this question? Suppose, Kabir, put your audio off. Audio off. हाँ जी. Suppose, I'll just show you with some example. Suppose. This is one bunch. Second bunch like this. Second bunch. Third bunch. Like there are 15 bunches. There are 15 bunches. 15 bunches like this. Suppose in total there are 20 bunches. 15 bunches are bought by person 1 and 5 are bought by person 2. So you can say there are in total 20 bunches. In total 20 bunches like this. Let me just show you 20 bunches. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. This way they are 7, 8, 9, 10. There are in total 20 bunches. I hope you all understand this meaning of this. How come 20 bunches? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the bunches owned by person 1. Bunches owned by person 1. Now person 2 has also got the same type of bunches. Person 2 has also got the same type of bunches. He has got 5 bunches. Suppose he has got 5 bunches. And in each bunch, there are 12 balloons. In each bunch, there are 12 balloons. I am supposing these boxes as the bunches of balloons. These are the bunches of balloons. These are the bunches of balloons. You can see here 5 bunches owned by person 2 and 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the total 20 bunches you all can see. And we have to see, when we know in every bunch, number of balloons in one bunch. Number of balloon in one bunch. Number of balloon in one bunch. Let's write number of balloons. Number of balloons in one bunch is equal to 12. So total number of balloons are going to be 12 multiplied bracket 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5. So here again I can apply distributive property. Kabir, now tell the answer. I'll ask answer from somebody from your side. Kabir, bolo answer.
Ma'am, 185.
185. How do you got 185? 12 into 20 is 185. No.
Ma'am, 15 बोला आपने.
There are 12 balloons in each. Each bunch contains 12 balloons. And there are 20 bunches in total. Virat, Shaurya, Nagpal.
Ma'am, 240 balloons.
240 balloons. Kabir, we need to be little vigilant. Not always to be in a hurry to answer. Just see the question properly. They are saying, हर bunch में here 12, here 12, here 12, here 12, like this. Okay? Okay? 240 balloons. Therefore,
मैम और वैसे भी मैम 12 इवन नंबर है और जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है वो भी इवन है तो आंसर तो इवन में ही आएगा. उसका 185 तो ऑड है, वो आ ही नहीं सकता.
Okay, yes. Therefore, total number of balloons. Therefore, total number of balloons. Total number of balloons were 240. Shaurya, any query बेटा? कबीर समझ आया बेटा?
मैम यस मैम, मैंने निकाल लिया आंसर. ये.
Shaurya, any query?
Ma'am, no.
Is there anybody? Please raise your hand. Those who have any query. Only those who have query, they will only raise their hand. Rehan, any query?
No ma'am.
Dharvi, any query?
No, ma'am.
Neelkant,
No,
any
ma'am.
query? Neelkant, any query?
No.
Can I change the view?
Yes ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, I am changing the view. I'll share this, all the 3 questions in Google Classroom also. In case you have missed out anything, you can check from there.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have.
But why are you playing in between? Saksham, don't play. Saksham.
I've missed only the last question.
You did not able to write last question, Virat?
I'm only last question.
Okay, I'll
Ma'am, I have write all 3 answers with questions.
Very good. So you need to maintain the speed also. I chose 3 questions so that you all can do them properly. I would have chosen more also. I did not choose more. So from my side, chapter 1 is complete. Whatever is they have done in your left in your try these, your exercises, questions, you all are going to do on your own. Nothing is left from my side. Am I
Ma'am,
clear?
any homework for today? Ma'am, any homework for today?
Revise chapter 1 for class test.
Okay, ma'am.
Revise chapter 1 for class. Whenever we'll have next class, whenever we have next class, we are going to have class test. Whenever we are going to have next class, we are going to have class test. Next class, we are going to have class test. हाँ जी, 2 people have raised the hand. Who are these? कबीर बोलो बेटा.
मैम मेरे 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं आपसे. एक अभी ये टेस्ट में फर्स्ट चैप्टर आ रहा है कि सेकंड भी आ रहा है?
नहीं, only one. I told you chapter 1 to be revised. Only one chapter.
मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि मैम ये जो आप करा रहे थे ये तो सेकंड चैप्टर में था.
कोई बात नहीं, सेकंड चैप्टर में तो फिनिश कर दिया ना हमने. अब हमारा 1 and 2 फिनिश हो गया. क्लास टेस्ट हम चैप्टर 1 से ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, we have finished chapter 1 and 2 both and we are taking test from chapter 1. Don't worry, next week we may take test for chapter 2. Ayan, हाँ जी बोलो बेटा. Ayan, you want to ask something beta?
Ma'am, the same question you have just tell the answer. Ma'am, the second chapter's test.
No, second chapter test will be next time. First of all, let me, हाँ जी विराट बोलो.
मैम हमने सेकंड चैप्टर की थर्ड एक्सरसाइज तो फिनिश ही नहीं करी.
थर्ड एक्सरसाइज में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी भी थी बेटा, वो हमने कर लिया. और क्वेश्चन
मैम आपने फोर्थ क्वेश्चन होमवर्क दिया था.
नहीं, उसमें मैंने 3 क्वेश्चंस क्लास में भी करवाए थे.
मैम बाकी होमवर्क दिए थे.
हाँ जी, और 1, 2 और 4 में कुछ है ही नहीं बेटा. यू ऑल कैन डू इजीली. प्लीज, प्रिंसिपल मैम आल्सो टोल्ड यू पीपल, मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी. If you just restrict like this, whatever teacher has done in the class, same thing you are going to do. We cannot explore mathematics. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes. Yes,
I try to give you extra questions also. Saksham, stop playing with this rubric. You can play it afterwards.
Bye, ma'am.
When the class is going on, you will not play. And the children, were you? Is there anybody in the class who had any problem in any of the questions we did today?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done 3 questions. I have done 3 questions and answers.
Very good. Very good.
Bye, ma'am.
Goodbye, children, and take care of yourself. Prepare well for the class. Did you all enjoy the class, today's class?
Ma'am, yes.
Thank you, beta. God bless you all. Take care of